Deep within the Yarlung Zangbo Grand Canyon lies one of Earth's most extraordinary natural wonders, the Lianhua Waterfall. For decades, Angel Falls, with a measured drop of 979 meters, has been widely recognized as the world's highest waterfall. Today, according to Li Cheng from the Xizijiang Ecological Conservation Center, a new field survey has recorded the Lianhua Waterfall with a vertical drop of 1,452 meters. Together with the Xizijiang Ecological Conservation Center, GreenValley International set out to digitally document this remarkable landscape using advanced spatial intelligence technologies. Using LiDAR-equipped drones, the team captured the waterfall and surrounding valleys from multiple angles, recording their terrain, spatial structure, and environmental context. Capturing the terrain is only the first step. Ordinary software would struggle with this volume of data and often crash, but LiDAR 360 MLS can handle it. The project collected 11,649 aerial images, which were processed in LiDAR 360 MLS using an NVIDIA RTX 5090 GPU. After 9.2 hours of computation, the result was a 220 million Gaussian Splat reconstruction. This is more than a 3D model. It is an accurate digital reconstruction of a real geographic environment. Every cliff face, every cascading stream, every layer of mist, every meter of spatial depth. The completed scene allows researchers to freely explore the waterfall from virtually any viewpoint, examine geological features, and perform spatial measurements within an immersive digital environment. At 1,452 meters, Lianhua Waterfall is a natural wonder shaped by water, gravity, and time. It is also a lasting 3D digital archive, created by GreenValley International for one of Madog's most extraordinary and least explored landscapes.